So, this is my natural hair. I have completely grown out its natural color, aside from like maybe, I'm having a really hard time telling if these are my old highlights or if my hair just has natural dimension in it. Like right here, do you see this? But like, aside from that, this is my completely natural hair color. And I love it. I think it's really cute seeing these things on my Instagram. And I just keep seeing like this picture, this one, a couple little pictures here and there of hair like this, and I think it's so cute. And today the temptation has taken over. I'm bored. Today's my day off work. I asked work if it was okay if I had kind of like quirky, like dyed hair, and they said it was okay. So I'm here today to bleach my hair. I mean, like, I was feeling kind of nervous when I started filming this video, but when I look at it, it's such a subtle look. I feel like it's fine. So I'm not too unfamiliar with bleach. Me and bleach have had a relationship on and off for some time now, so I know what to do. I've bleached my eyebrows before, a couple times actually. I don't actually like to bleach my eyebrows. But you just mix equal parts bleach, and then I usually like to use like 20 volume, so I'm just gonna mix 10 volume and 30 volume. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go get my mirror, but I'm just gonna wait like 20 minutes, leave it in for 20 minutes at least. Yeah, I'll be back. It's kind of closely, honestly. Should I go blue next? This is not a hickey, I promise. Sometimes I break out when I'm nervous. I like blush on my chest. That's what's happening. I'll see you with the final results.
What?
I did a thing.
What does that mean? Oh my god. That's pretty dope, actually.
I did it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go close the door. I'll be right back. This is how it looks after toning and bleaching. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's really fun. This is like the craziest thing I've ever done with my hair for sure. Yeah, just did these little under parts. The blonde toned really nicely. I'm really happy with the color. I just feel so funky and cool, and I really like it. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you do, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.